Shift our focus to the top story of this hour, which remains to be who is going to be the next chief minister of the national capital, with also in fact the BJP and the top brass deliberating upon the names to balance the caste equation and to pick the CM face very precisely. According to the sources of in fact the BJP, the Bharatiya Janata Party is considering making two deputy chief ministers of the national capital along with the one chief minister in the national capital. BJP has planned deliberately to balance the caste equation and considering giving representation to many communities including Punjabi, Dalit, Vaishya, Jat, Purvanchali and Sikhs, who have played a very crucial role in becoming the vote share for the BJP at this point of time. And also these representatives of who have been elected from these communities have garnered the support of the voters. Delhi's Vaishya community has also been a big vote bank of the BJP. Vijendra Gupta's name is considered to be at the top among Vaishya leaders. He also belongs to the strong trader community. And if we talk about the name of the chief ministerial position, Parvesh Verma's claim is also very strong because he has defeated the Aam Aadmi Party Supremo and former chief minister of the national capital Arvind Kejriwal, and the plan is to make him contest the assembly elections. The plan to make him contest the assembly election against Kejriwal was made long ago. Due to this, Parvesh Verma was not given a Lok Sabha ticket and was made to contest the assembly election. His government bungalow was also not vacated. Parvesh Verma is the son of the former Chief Minister Sahib Singh Verma, also represents the Jat community in the national capital. And if we have to look at the caste equations in the national capital, the Purvanchalis, Punjabis, Vaishyas, Jat and Sikh of Delhi have played a big and a crucial role in BJP's victory in the national capital. Now, the names of the MLAs from all these communities and from the areas from where they have secured a win are being considered by the top brass. Mehndi, my colleague, is joining me live on the broadcast. Mehndi, now big breakthrough in fact in deciding the name of the chief minister, and it's just not the chief ministerial post but also like other states where BJP has decided earlier to get two deputy chief ministers, here as well. In fact, the same formula could be applied. Share more details.
Well, indeed, Simran, the question of who will be the Chief Minister of Delhi has now been expanded to include who will be the Deputy Chief Ministers of Delhi as well. And according to the BJP sources, Simran, the party is considering appointing one Chief Minister along with two Deputy CMs in Delhi to balance the caste equations. And also, the BJP is aiming to give representation to Punjabi, Dalit, Vaishya, Jat and Purvanchali and Sikh communities. And also, the meetings are happening, and according to the sources as well, in the parliamentary board meeting chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Yesterday, discussions took place not only on the names of the potential leaders of Simran, but also on the caste balance in the national capital. And today morning, Union Home Minister Amit Shah has also met BJP National President JP Nadda to further discuss the possibilities of appointing one Chief Minister and two Deputy Chief Ministers. And apart from that, the BJP is acknowledging that the victory in Delhi was significantly influenced by these particular castes, the Purvanchali, Punjabis, Vaishya, Jat, and also the Sikh communities. So now the party is evaluating the names of elected MLAs from these groups. So talking about different groups which BJP is considering, Simran, then yes, among the front runners, Parvesh Verma has a strong claim as he defeated Arvind Kejriwal in the election, and also, he is a big leader, and he has a very, we can say, fan following of the Jat community as well. So from the Sikh community, Manjinder Singh Sirsa, Sarvinder Singh Marwa, and also Arvinder Singh Lovely are among the winning candidates. One of them is likely to be given a significant position, with Manjinder Singh Sirsa being the strongest contenders in these lists. And with apart from talking about the Purvanchali voters, then yes, with Bihar Assembly elections nearby as well, a Purvanchali leader is also expected to get a major role, which is Manoj Tiwari. So he is the one of the most prominent Purvanchali leader in the national capital, having won 3 consecutive Lok Sabha elections as well. So apart from that, for a Punjabi face, Ashish Sood is also emerging as a strong contender. And apart from that, Harish Khurana, the son of the former chief minister, is also in the list where the discussions are being happening. And apart from that, some other influential names as in Karnail Singh, who is closely associated with RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat, and is also a personal friend as per the sources of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So yes, his name is also being discussed for these three crucial, we can say, positions that BJP has to decide as of now. But from the Vaishya community, Simran, a significant vote bank from the BJP in Delhi is also likely to be represented, and for that, Vijender Gupta is in the considerations, is in the discussions as of now, and he is, he has emerged out to be the LOP, the sitting MLA from a very long time from the Rohini seat as well. So yes, Simran, as BJP strategizes its leadership team as of now, so balancing the caste equation is very much important in the national capital, as we are seen in other states as well, whether we talk about Uttar Pradesh, whether we talk about Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh. So yes, now the regional representation will also be discussed in the crucial meetings that will be happening today and in the upcoming days. So yes, the final decision, Simran, will be taken by the senior leadership, on which the Delhi's new chief minister and also the two deputy chief ministers will be decided and will be declared in an official statement after PM Modi reach back to the national capital. Yes, Simran.
Well, all right. In fact, Mehndi, as we are also understanding that the caste equations is something that needs to be balanced out at this point of time. This time in Delhi, BJP's Sikh leader Manjinder Singh Sirsa, Tarvinder Singh Marwa and